Emily, and welcome back to a very strangely filmed video. So today we are going to be filming at night time, which is very different for us. And since we don't have natural lighting, oh my gosh, I just blinded myself. We have a very strong flashlight set up above us, so we apologize if we look super creepy. But today we are going to be doing a very quick tutorial on how to make a Harry Potter slime.
Yeah, this one is going to be called what's it called?
Fluffy golden slime.
Yeah, golden snitch.
So first step, pour in your glue.
We have these beads here, which you guys can't tell.
We're just using about half a bottle.
Lighting. Are gold. You can't tell with our.
We'll give you a close up. We'll give you a close up later on. But so we're just using about half a bottle of glue.
Oh, but light. Might be blinking a lot because the light is right above the camera.
You know, if you ever want to see a nighttime set tour, comment that down below. It's very
interesting. Or just a regular set tour.
I think this one's more interesting.
Yeah.
Okay, so
got a lot of glue. Oh, you guys can kind of here. Now you can see the glue.
Yeah, so
like
that's
that,
glue right there.
The table looks white. That actually looks better than usual.
No, so now
here,
we are.
let's add some shaving. Yeah, I have my own bottle of shaving cream this time. Okay, guys.
Oh gosh, are we out of shaving cream?
I think we are. I think we need some more though. Yeah, that's good. Okay, I'm gonna mix.
Yay, because last time I
add some glitter.
So we are adding silver glitter glue. You can't really tell. Just get some silver glitter glue from like a craft store or like Elmer's silver glitter glue, and just.
This is not Elmer's.
I said or. And just add that in. This is to symbolize like cloudy skies and just, you know.
Or the wings.
You know what? I'm just going to use my other glitter glue.
Yeah, we have some better glitter glue that.
It's called Elmer's. That one's kind of out. It would have worked.
This is the stickly. You can't see.
So now I'm just using some Elmer's. Don't let Buddy get that.
Oh yeah. Let's prevent your dog from eating it. Yeah, guys, this one's coming out easier.
So yeah, that one was kind of out. That one was good. It's just so it just has a silvery touch.
Also we're gonna add a tiny bit of gold.
Yes, and then we're gonna add some yellow glitter glue, which kind of turns out a little bit gold. You could add like some gold metallic paint. Just get creative with it, or you don't have to do like golden snitch slime. This is just around Harry Potter themed slime.
Yeah, in most of the challenge videos I've done Harry Potter theme on them.
Not really, but I mean we've only filmed a few.
In two of the last ones I've done Harry Potter. Well, two of the last crafts we've done. One of them was filmed. One of them was not.
Oh, and if you want to see those not filmed ones, comment that down below as well. See, we just have a how many are these? 10 pen glitter glues, and I know it may irritate some of you that we're not actually using clear glue. It irritates us too. We wish we had clear glue. But now we are going to add
we tried making a clear slime.
You can see it. So these are just gold beads. They're just like regular circular gold beads. You can find at probably any craft store. And so, yeah.
We got ours from my grandma.
And you may need a little more for, depending on how much glue you're using. But, you know, we're just going to go with what we got.
They're hidden. You have to look for them.
That's like the actual glue. See, this is a hide-and-seek slime. It's a new brand, hide-and-seek slimes.
I think we need fluff.
It's fine. No!
A little.
No, because that just makes them lose even more.
Touch your nose. Funny video.
That was not touching my nose.
Guys, this is called whoop. Kind of.
That was not touching my nose.
High five my face. Horrible.
It's chemicals. What did you expect?
Emily, our shirts are rats. do not do that. It tastes horrible.
I can't see, but let's just finish the challenge.
I have like
why did I say challenge? This isn't a challenge.
shaving cream stuck in my eyebrows.
It's in my nose.
We're gonna be adding a little bit of baby oil. Emily, we are going to be adding a little. Guys, I did add some more glitter glue. I didn't have shaving cream on my hand.
And because we know fluffy slime can sometimes turn out not that stretchy,
we're adding baby oil.
And now I'm gonna start adding activator.
Wait a minute, I first mix them.
I need to clean up soon, Elena.
My eye hurts.
Look at me!
I never do this. Unless you're gonna break someone.
I can't breathe in.
Or unless you know them well enough that they will lock in line at you.
Okay. So, moving on. We're gonna start activating now.
Eyes hurt.
Elena, that's not smart. We thought this was going to be a very simple tutorial with a very complicated backdrop. Turns out everything was just complicated about this video.
You guys, we just cleaned off
We
our
cleaned
faces.
off our faces quickly. I know we still look like we have shaving cream on them, but yeah. Elena, she said, let's redo that. That's like,
no.
I'm not going to do it actually, but so let's just show what she did. She's like, oh, it's just going to be a tiny drop. Squirts the whole bottle on my face.
I did it myself.
Yeah, but mine was like up my nose.
Mine was down my face. So guys,
and when you high-fived my face, it went all over my eye.
Yeah.
Guys, so this isn't a tutorial for Harry Potter slime. This is a tutorial on what not to do when making slime.
Okay, so guys, we are going to be looting. We are going to be looting.
We activated it too much. We need to
baby oil to the rescue.
That's the thumbnail.
I didn't
right
even
there.
have caffeine this morning, and it's still going crazy.
I don't drink caffeine.
I do sometimes.
I don't need it.
I had some last week.
I'm walking caffeine.
You are. More!
Elena! Cut it out! Doing videos at night makes you crazy! Or than usual.
Is still our shortest. This is gonna make all the beads fall out.
That's what I'm saying, Elena. You didn't need to do that.
So guys, this is still currently our shortest video.
This video is just bloopers. What should we name this video? We're not naming this DIY Golden Stitch Slime. We're naming this DIY fail video. This is our what not to do when making a YouTube video. That's what I'm naming this. That's a new title. What not to do when making a YouTube video.
Let's not film videos at night.
They make us go a little crazy. It's like we're
eye.
werewolves, but YouTubers. Elena,
Ew.
did you see my face?
Yes, it's just like stuck in my eyebrow. Eyelash.
Well, it's flashback to when Elena got slime stuck in her eyebrows. Well, if only we had footage of that, we could literally play that on the screen or insert a photo, but we don't.
Yeah.
That's sad. We should have taken a photo of you before you washed that out.
Shut up. So guys, currently we can't stretch it or all. If you stretch it, you find it. That was not a good.
This isn't really a stretchy slime. This is more of a
Can this be my birthday slime?
Yeah, of course.
Yay, I get to keep it.
But this is more of a feel.
We're losing all the beads.
And just don't activate it as much as we did. We were very blinded.
If you add more
Elena.
If you add more glue, it'll actually make it better.
Yeah, but
Let's add some more glue.
No. We
Emily?
are finishing this video off right now.
Emily, we have to get it to 20 minutes like all of our other videos have been.
No. Okay, so.
No, not yet. We're still losing beads everywhere.
So, we couldn't really see while we were doing this, so, we added that too much activator.
This was a basically blind slime challenge.
Yeah, the blindfolded slime challenge. People should do this, like a one-eyed slime challenge. That's basically what I was doing. And I was the one activating, so, not a good idea. Don't give the person activating your slime shaving cream to the face.
Emily, we have beads all over the floor.
Whose fault is that? This is all caused by the shaving cream. It's not the butterfly effect, it's the shaving cream effect.